Shooting rifle. Yeah, the target gonna be super small for the top one.
You can grab the other paper targets. You can use it after.
No more wood chips.
What does that look? Oops, yeah. I broke it. How does that look?
That's good.
What do you shoot this at? I know what I'm shooting. That done. No. You got your semi.
You said 22.
Huh?
22.
Yeah.
$11 difference.
Fucking quiet, huh? Prop 6, 22. What is this? 9. 9.
357.
Yeah, is it?
357.
Oh. 357. Lever action.
You shot a lever gun before. You look like you know what you're doing. Because a lot of guys, they leave it out like that, so the next one is easier to push in. But to me, it's not much of a difference.
Well, how's that lever pull?
Huh?
Action or what? You gotta pull hard.
Nah, not that hard.
I forgot my second pair. That's why I've been sitting in the back.
You ask, you can be granted.
That's it?
Rounds.
Only 2?
This thing is cool.
You can shoot more.
Okay, fucking expensive, cuz.
He worked,
bro.
Don't worry, he worked.
grab two more.
No worries.
Don't worry, I get like half time for you. Keep grabbing one.
Oh, you work.
Grab
You work.
Grab light. Grab one more.
W from
We were catching chicken. Catching chicken in the gun range.
I'll buy him.
How much?
7 plus 1. Okay, so 7 in here plus 1 in here.
Cock it. Yeah, you're locked.
That feel good as stop distance there?
I'm gonna check right now. I'm gonna try and check.
Yeah, kind of hard to see it with just that.
I know. Oh, that was up.
Like run through your whole face right here.
That was farther.
Run through your whole face already. Yeah.
I still get. This isn't even hamster yet.
What is it? So this all 3 5 seconds.
Yeah, this.
How much you get?
Huh?
Shoot. I cannot tell.
How much? Huh?
Almost the same price.
Alright.
I cannot tell. We gotta go grab some black construction paper and white marker. Fuck, that's the only way to tell, bro. I cannot tell white on white.
That's cool.
I don't see that one. Oh, that's top right. Black. They say top right. Bottom right center.
Yeah, and did it.
24 shots. That was middle right. Little bit left, you're good to go. Down the second black circle, outer ring circle. Hold on. I cannot see the target. One shot.
Going clear.
Yeah. I'll let you know. Give me 1 second.
Ready. I'll bring some more.
Okay, you said you were gonna let me know. You never
Right
let
on.
me know. Why you
Red,
Money.
black, center.
Going.
I will buy down the road.
Oh, where's your 360?
Nah, just regular wide view. I got him on.
Holy shit! Hey, this is yours, babe. I know you shot this one. I seen yours hit this one. I don't know where the fuck my other shots went. I know he hit this one.
I shot that one?
No, the guy. I don't know who shot this one, but I seen.
Probably all mine right here.
I seen his shot.
'Cause I was aiming pretty much the same, so it's probably all mine right here.
Okay, I get
Oh, dog!
I'm missing one over here then.
Oh, this one though.
Yeah, this is hers. I seen
That's
this one.
good.
This is mine, and then this is yours, I think, babe, or vice versa. I don't know if you had these. I don't know if I had these though.
That's your on your side, Sonny.
Yeah, how the fuck? No.
I gotta zero my eyes. I tell you.
How much you guys got on paper? Oh, 2, 3, 4,
So I
5,
think
6,
this
7.
is 5 points. This is
Yeah, no, you
4
guys
points.
Okay, you guys win.
Yeah, you guys got more in this.
We have 11. Isn't that 11?
Their grouping is better. Their grouping's a lot fucking better. That's all that really matters. Not who can hit the closest to the target. It's the grouping of the
I
target.
just gotta re-zero a little bit. Small
these
kind.
are the bigger bullets.
Small kind
Sorry,
planning a little bit.
Oh, that was my first shot. Yeah, this one.
Let me try first.
Oh. Miss. Slow down.
It's like the video you sent. Stop doing that extra shit!
Yeah, you like judge him.
What should you play for?
I don't know. Stop doing that extra shit! ring?
Right, yeah. You don't hear it?
I'm fucking dead.
Right on, I got you.
No, they put a silencer on the target.
There. Stop shooting so fast.
Is it ringing? It's not ringing.
I'm sorry. Big shot. I think you meant public.
So it's hot now.
It's hot. It's hot. Yep. Miss. Miss. Why?
Is it worse?
Miss. Oh, all high.
I just said.
Baby. Where's the odd man out?
I'm proud.
You know my selfie stick?
I don't. I forgot to bring them.
Oh.
You gotta hit that small square. 5 shots.
On the right.
Square. Right side. Those are hers. This is mine. Wait. You get 5 shots. Square.
Where? Which one?
Right side. Out of circle.
On the.
That was a double, I think. You get anything yet? Oh. That's a hit. I think you're 4 out of
Oh shit! How much you gonna put in?
10. Out. It's 3 out of 10.
Ceasefire, all shooters, ceasefire, misaligned safe. Unload all firearms, both cylinders, breeches, clips, and magazines out, stand back to the yellow line. During the ceasefire, do not approach the bed, do not handle any firearms, stay behind the yellow line, stand by.
How you think you did?
Oh, you step back on this.
Not too good. That's far. Fuck that. That's 50 yards.
Oh, you're pretty good though. Still pretty accurate.
Some music going, cousin. Change the game for you.
The line is safe, you may go downrange to set up targets, the line is safe.
I don't like this.
Far.
True fucking $80 in like 5 minutes, dog. Said like $80, $90.
That's what I was saying earlier. Fucking, you go through faster than the right.
So you probably can't see in the camera, but they got small plinks on the ground. They're like about 4x4 inch diameter, maybe 6x6.
Oh shit.
Let's see if brother man can hit them.
You seen that
Hear
video?
the plink. Yeah.
See, there's that right row, the second row. Get the second row, right?
Second
I'm
row.
gonna shoot. Try aim for that third target on the left.
This little button right here.
The square.
Square, yeah.
Dojo.
Is that high?
Oh.
Not even. I got the one on the left of it. Oh, there you go. It's shooting a little high. I have to aim low. For the bigger target it hits, but to hit these smaller ones, and you gotta aim a little more.
You said it's shooting low?
Huh?
It's shooting low?
Yeah. No, it's shooting high, so I aim low. But take one shot first, and you can see.
Can't even see where that lands.
You see, yeah?
Thank you. Everybody get hot, guys. Bring up everybody.
I don't even know where that one ricocheted.
Yeah, that one shot low, but it ricocheted out. Yeah, you're close. That was. Yeah,
Can't even see
elevation
where
is
it's
like. Are you aiming for that first one?
Yeah. God damn.
Yeah, your elevation is real good. Maybe a little high, I think.
The last box, I shot one box. I sorry. I'm not able to shoot this much. Next time I'll bring 1,000. No, not now. The 22.
Yeah. Oh, 22. Oh, sorry, I know about that.
Okay, I kinda know where it's at now. Yeah. I know where it's at. One more mag.
Yeah. Look, more. Look. Oh, so you shot it already. Ah!
It's just trying to keep them still.
Yeah.
Or not.
What happened? Oh, nice. Shot one of the small ones. Oi.
It's aiming. It's aiming down, or the reticle is down and left from where we're shooting. So this is the reticle, and this is where the shot's going.
Hey. Yeah, let's try this out. You gotta come shoot this fucker right up. Good. You, anybody. Hey, rapid fire this.
It has two safeties. That you have to fully compress it to shoot it.
So this and what?
This is the first safety. This is the second. You have to fully compress it to shoot it.
Okay. So you gotta bring this down?
Baby,
Huh? Yeah, that's it.
Babe. We still have to do first. Some 22. 22.
Can't even tell. It's 22 also. Yeah.
Is it too soft for you?
Better hold on to it.
All gonna be forward. Watch real quick. Then you,
Do your best. Yeah, it might be easy. Yeah, I just wanted to feel it the first time. Holy shit.
You should have got this before your lever.